So typical situation where the key is just broken in half. As you can see, it's just sitting there. So what you can do is you can grab anything sharp. Sorry for the video. Something like that, and try to scratch it, like scratch it from towards you, so it can come out. And then when it comes out, you just pull that using your fingers. If not, you can use a plier like that. So finally, when you drill out the cylinder, you have to completely take it out. Of course, if you can hit the pins exactly, but if not, then you will have to take this out, which is an actual lock that's holding it inside.